Let's begin with the purpose of translation process. The purpose is to synthesize protein from mRNA template. There are three steps of translation. First, initiation, second, elongation, and finally, termination. This translation process contains four key molecules. First, the beautiful tRNA. Second, the mRNA template. Third, the large ribosomal unit. Fourth, the small ribosomal unit. And fifth, the releasing factor. The first step is initiation. Translation initiation begins when a small subunit of the ribosome colored in green attaches to the mRNA and moves to this translation initiation site. At the initiation site on the mRNA, it contains AUG code. Then, tRNA colored in pink comes into the site that contains AUG code. This anticodon it contains is AUC, which is complementary to the AUG code on the mRNA strand. Attached to the end of the tRNA is the corresponding amino acid. In this case is methionine. After tRNA attached, the large ribosomal unit comes in. There are three sites on large ribosomal unit. The large ribosomal units binds to create three sites: peptide, amino acid, and acid site. The first tRNA occupies the P site, so the second tRNA enters the A site. This second tRNA contains anticodon that is complementary to the second codon on the mRNA strand. Methionine is then transferred to the A site. Methionine attached into GLY or glycine, the large ribosome moves so that the first tRNA exits at the exit site. The second tRNA is at the P site. Then the third tRNA enters at A site. From now on, any new tRNA enters at the A site. The third tRNA contains anticodon, which is complementary to the third codon on the mRNA strand. Second, tRNA at P site then transfers glycine to bind with the PRO of proline on the end of tRNA. Then the first tRNA exits the large ribosomal unit at exit site. As elongation continues, the growing peptide is continually transferred to the A site tRNA. The ribosome moves along the mRNA strand. New tRNA enters at A site and tRNA at exit site leaves the ribosome. There are three stop codons: UAA, UGA, and UAG. In this case, the stop codon UAA is reached. When a stop codon is reached, a releasing factor in purple comes in. This releasing factor comes in at A site and terminates the process. When it terminates, the newly formed protein is released.